Hey everyone! In our previous video, we talked about scanning a file through 70+ antivirus. Today, we're going to dive into how to scan all your Android apps, including system apps, using the same 70+ antivirus. So, let's get started. Now, open the Play Store and search for the app named VirusTotal and install it. We'll provide the direct official link below for your convenience. Once you have it installed, you can check the data safety section where you'll see that no data is sent to third parties. This is a great feature for keeping your information secure. Once you've installed the app, open it up and it will start scanning all your apps, including system apps. This may take some time, so be patient. After the scan is completed, you'll see if any antivirus detected threats on your screen. Just a quick note, if there's one or two detections, they're probably false positives, so don't panic. As you can see, we scanned all our apps and no threats were detected. It's a good idea to do this once a month to stay aware of the apps installed on your device. The great thing is that VirusTotal won't run in the background and drain your battery. In the settings, there isn't much to change, but there is a security news blog section that keeps you updated on the latest malware and other security news. Sorry for the plug-in, I just wanted to share some of our freelance work. We offer web development, graphic design, and editing services. You can find the links in the description. Feel free to email us if you're interested. You can skip this part if you want. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps. Just a quick reminder, we have created more useful videos like this on our channel, so please check them out. If you liked this video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in the comments what we can improve. Have a good day.